With the long clearance, headed away by Amrita Kumari. Manisha Kalyan on the ball, superb outer foot flick. Grace finds Sabitra. Sabitra charging on the ball, she finds the ball. Sabitra with the lead, does she score? No, that is brilliantly saved. Gokulam Kerala still have the ball, and very early into the match, Gokulam Kerala FC find the back of the net. It is just less than 3 minutes into the game, and Gokulam have found. She is still on the ball, but Kenkre FC managed to find that clearance. Manisha Panna, the stopper back with the captain Michelle Castana. She looks in for that offside, but is not given. The Kenkre team caught absolutely napping. Sabitra Bhandari, she finds the back of that net, and Gokulam lead 2-0. Early goal into the first half of the Indian Women's League, the Hero Indian Women's League. Exciting action. Like I said, there would be superb game there from Gokulam Kerala FC. Kenkre defender will look to get her team. Superb ball in. Sabitra Bhandari's pace is no match for the Kenkre defense, and Karishma and Sabitra. Wonderful goal again. Superb pursuit of the ball. Manisha Kalyan with that very well timed header into the attacking third for Gokulam. Sabitra Bhandari firing up their attack. Here we go again with Kenkre on the start. Sabitra looking in for that strike again. She still manages to keep the ball. A long shot in. Wonderful goal there by Sabitra Bhandari. Superb strike. This is sensational football here from the Bangla Football Stadium. What a delight to watch. Sabitra, the Nepali striker. Superb shot there. 4-0 up. Gokulam Kerala FC. This is some fantastic amount of football that is going on, and did find the back of the net. Goalkeeper Monica Devi absolutely dumbfounded by these proceedings at the Bangla Football Stadium. Gokulam are relentless, and they still carry the ball in. Manisha Kalyan coming in, and they have scored yet again. What is going on today at the Bangla Football Stadium? Gokulam wrecking in havoc at the Kenkre defense. Sabitra and Manisha, superb combination, superb strike. This free kick cleared away inside again by Manisha Panna, the stopper back for Gokulam Kerala FC. Sarita with that cross, she finds Sabitra, defensive mistake, and will Grace finish it? It slips out of the hand of Monica Devi. Grace managing to find the back of the net. 6 goals up. Gokulam are absolutely on fire. This is what a lot of people would have expected. Kenkre did come in strong. They had some good hopes in for them, but a good run in there by Kenkre. Will they manage to take a shot? And she scores! Kenkre FC finally find that break. She scores past Aditi Chauhan. Superb strike there from Kenkre FC. She was the lone man there. It was a counter attack, and Kenkre. Soumya Gulgoth, the captain, leading by example. Superb dribble in there by Soumya. Brilliance of the foot She manages to keep her cool. Aditi Chauhan did come. Chanu on the ball at the moment. Kenkre will definitely have to look to keep their attack on point if they want to make any amount of comeback. But 6 goals, catching up to 6 goals does seem like an impossible task. A brilliant through ball from Grace. Manisha Kalyan speeds forward. She is found in a one-on-one situation. She passes it to Sabitra. Coolly finished. This is excellent football. Definitely excited to see the level of football here. Gokulam definitely managing to deliver that. Kenkre were again caught napping, and Sabitra Bandari on strike again, and she scores. This is superb. This is outstanding. I am running out of adjectives to describe this moment. Sabitra Bandari with 4 goals in her cap. Kenkre just... Asha Kumari and Jyoti, but that stop from Aditi Chauhan was very well timed. The variety at which the strikers are. Now Karishma with the ball again, and she scores! Karishma Purushottam Shivoykar, the young Goan, second goal for her. Superb football. Corner kick. Looks like Gokulam will be trying out something new. Kashmina goes in for a quick corner. She finds Manisha Kalyan. They give a beautiful 1-2 pass. Headed in by Sabitra Bandari into goal. This is superb. This is absolutely exciting. Manisha Kalyan with that wonderful cross with her left foot to the striker. Sabitra